tingin ko pwede na yung
Nabago ka ba din? Kung sa kayo po, my name is Louie. Welcome to Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Pampanga community. For today's vlog, magluluto po tayo ng steak dito sa bahay. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! First off, ininit po namin yung pan natin. Meron naman po itong instruction dito. So if you want doneness nito is medium rare, you sear each side for 1 minute. If you want medium well, 2 minutes each side naman. If you want well done, 3 minutes each side naman. So for us, we did it medium well. So 2 minutes for each side. Pagkatapos po nun, babast natin siya. So we had some butter, garlic, and some aroma herbs. So we're gonna taste it. Ito guys, meron na tayo ditong sample na naka-slice actually. Ooh, look at that. So I'm gonna taste it here. Oh wow! Yun if you want to have some steaks sa bahay, you don't need to go to a restaurant. So ang tagline nila actually is perfectly cooked steak every time, anytime. So actually meron tayong garlic dito. Let's smash it like that. Yun. Slice or portion and then get some garlic, and look at that. More from this. Lambot na. Ayan guys, so take a look at the cross-cut slice natin. Still parang pinkish, rosy red. Ito. For the gravy. If you notice dito sa packaging natin, ayan dito sa likod, so meron na siya actually mga herbs and spices. Ibig sabihin guys, ready to cook na to. So no need or buy for yung mga herbs like pepper, mga aromatic herbs. Ready to cook anytime, anywhere na yan. If you're like me, syempre gusto ko dagdagan natin yung flavor ng steak natin. What we did is, so we added some garlic, butter, syempre guys, more steaks. Tapos ko yung isang steak Okay. Then, gravy. Alright, so this is gonna be the last one. Look at that, more gravy. Like it. Alright, so yun nga guys, again, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much Primo Sous Vide for sending us again. These are pre-seasoned, vacuum sealed pack na mga steak that you can actually cook anytime and anywhere. So let me just read some information. So actually yung price natin for the steaks, so for the ribeye, 250 grams, it's 375 pesos only. For the USDA ribeye steak naman, 400 grams, it's at 1,599 pesos only. They're open for reseller and dealership. So if you want to start your steak business, go check out their fan page. And if you want to avail a 5% discount naman, just let them know po that you found Primo Sous Vide dito po sa Pampanga. Just give the code WIP, which is WHIP Pampanga, and you're gonna get 5% discount on their products. So ayun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you want a steak anytime, anywhere, gotta check out Primo Sous Vide. Thanks so much for watching. We're Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye guys.